Take a look at my Leatherman MUT and Schrade Tough Tool. I keep the Schrade. It came in a leather pouch, but I don't know where that's at. But I've got an HSGI, an old HSGI pistol mag pouch with a pouch attachment ladder system ready to rock and roll. The Leatherman, same deal, just without the malice clip. You have the actual strap for the pals. There's the MUT. I didn't get the all black version. And there's the Schrade Tough Tool. They make them in China now. This is the USA version with the laminated jaws. There's all the tools. A little look on the other side. Both pretty heavy multi-tools. I like them both. Let's see if I can get them open. There you see the laminated jaws. I hope. Don't buy the newer Schrades. They're crap, made in China. Taylor Tools bought out the name. Taylor Brands Tools, whatever. Let's get the MUT to open up here. Both open fairly easy one-handed. This is pretty much more of an AR tool combined with a multi-tool. I've always liked the MUT since it came out. I had the EOD first, ended up selling that and picking up the normal MUT. I have nothing to do with explosive ordnance disposal, so what do I need all that crap? Tools are pretty basic on the Schrade, nothing spectacular. And the guy that owned this one before me, I bought it used, snapped the two little pieces off that hold the blade there. You see them intact there. But he apparently didn't know that to unlock the blades, all you do is these two humped tools, you push them, which actuates that little back lock and lets you flip the tool that locks down. There, apparently did not know that and broke both of the locks off, but they still function pretty good. Hard to find these things. Not really a great review, but just a look at both. Comparison wise, I guess. MUT's a little bit bigger. They both have their uses though.